Welcome to Quick Revision. Today, a quick revision capsule on Section 11 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882. Section 11 deals with conditions restraining the enjoyment of property. The basic principle is simple. When a person acquires property absolutely, he has the right to enjoy it in the manner he chooses. Therefore, the transferor cannot impose conditions that restrict the transferee's enjoyment of the property. Section 11 provides that where the property is transferred absolutely, any condition directing the transferee to enjoy the property in a particular manner is generally void. The principle behind this section is that the right to enjoy property is an essential incident of ownership. Any condition that takes away or restricts that right is repugnant to the nature of ownership. Now, let us look at the essential ingredients of Section 11. First, there must be a transfer of property. Second, an absolute interest must be created in favor of the transferee. Third, the term of the transfer must direct that the property shall be applied in a particular manner or shall be enjoyed in a particular manner. If these conditions are satisfied, the restriction is generally void and the transferee may enjoy the property as if no such condition existed. Now, let us understand the scope of Section 11. Section 11 mainly applies to transfers creating absolute ownership such as sale, gift and exchange. It does not generally apply to lease and mortgage because these transfers create only a limited interest in the property. You may also come across the term covenant. A covenant is a condition imposed by the transferor. It may be positive or affirmative, requiring the transferee to do something, or negative, restraining the transferee from doing a particular act. Now, remember the important exception. The transferor may impose conditions restraining the enjoyment of land if those restrictions are intended for the beneficial enjoyment of his adjoining property. In such cases, the condition may be valid. Quick exam recap. Section 11 deals with conditions restraining enjoyment of property. A buyer who acquires property absolutely has the right to enjoy it freely. Conditions restraining enjoyment are generally void. The principle is based on the owner's right to enjoy property. Section 11 applies mainly to sale, gift and exchange. It generally does not apply to lease and mortgage. Restrictions benefiting the transfers adjoining land are an important exception. That's your quick revision for today. Keep listening, keep revising and write your exams with confidence. See you soon in the next QLR capsule.